everyone. Welcome back to English Made Easy, the podcast for English learners around the world.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here today. I'm Sarah, and this is my co-host, Tom.
Thanks, Sarah. Today, we have a really useful topic for you all.
Yes, we're going to talk about how to give compliments in English.
And also how to start conversations with people you don't know very well.
These are really important skills, especially if you're traveling or meeting new people.
Absolutely. So, Sarah, let's start with compliments. What exactly is a compliment?
A compliment is when you say something nice about another person.
Right. It's a way to make someone feel good about themselves.
Exactly. For example, if someone has a nice shirt, you can say, "I like your shirt."
That's a perfect example. Simple and direct.
Yes, compliments don't need to be complicated. Simple is often better.
So true. Now, what are some common things people compliment?
Well, clothing is very common. You can compliment someone's dress, shoes, or jacket.
Hair's another popular one. I love your haircut, or your hair looks great today.
Yes, and accessories too, like watches, bags, or jewelry.
Right, but we need to be careful with some compliments, don't we?
Yes, very careful. Some compliments can sound inappropriate.
For example?
Well, it's usually not good to compliment someone's body directly.
Like saying you have a nice body to a stranger?
Exactly. That's too personal and can make people uncomfortable.
So stick to safe topics like clothing, hair, or accessories.
Yes, those are safe. You can also compliment someone's skills or work.
Oh, that's a great point. Like you did a great job on that presentation.
Perfect. Work-related compliments are always appropriate and appreciated.
Now let's talk about how to give these compliments. What words should we use?
There are many good phrases. The most common is "I like" or "I love."
For example, I like your shoes or I love your watch.
Another common phrase is "That's a nice" or "What a beautiful."
Right, that's a nice bag or what a beautiful necklace.
You can also say "You look great in that dress" or "That color suits you."
Suits you means it looks good on you, right?
Exactly. It means the color or style is perfect for that person.
These are all great examples. What about when someone gives you a compliment?
Ah, yes. Receiving compliments. This is important too.
In English, we usually say thank you when someone compliments us.
Yes. Thank you is the most common and polite response.
Some people feel shy and say, oh, it's nothing, or it's not that nice.
That's not great, actually. It sounds like you're rejecting the compliment.
Right. In Western cultures, it's better to accept compliments gracefully.
Just say, "Thank you," or "Thank you so much. I appreciate that."
You can also add something extra, like, thank you, I just got it yesterday.
Yes, or "Thank you. It's one of my favorites."
These responses keep the conversation going naturally.
Exactly. And that brings us to our next topic, starting conversations.
Right. Compliments are actually a great way to start a conversation.
They really are. After you give a compliment, you can ask a question.
For example, I love your bag. Where did you get it?
Perfect. Now you've started a conversation.
The other person can answer and you can continue talking.
Yes. They might say, "Thank you. I got it at a shop downtown."
Then you can say, oh, really? What's the name of the shop?
And now you're having a real conversation. It's that easy.
What are some other good conversation starters?
Well, the weather is always a safe topic in English-speaking countries.
Yes, we love talking about weather.
It's true. You can say, "Beautiful day, isn't it?" Or "It's really cold today."
These are called small talk, light, friendly conversation.
Small talk is very important in English-speaking cultures.
It helps people feel comfortable before talking about serious topics.
Exactly. Other good small talk topics are hobbies, weekend plans, or food.
For example, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Or have you been to any good restaurants lately?
These are open-ended questions, so they need more than yes or no answers.
That's an important point. Open-ended questions keep conversations going.
Yes, don't ask, did you have a good weekend? That's just yes or no.
Instead, ask, how was your weekend? Or what did you do this weekend?
Now the person needs to give you details and you can continue talking.
Great tip. Now, what about starting conversations in specific situations?
Like where? At work? At a party?
Yes, different situations mean different approaches.
Okay, let's start with work. How do you talk to a new colleague?
At work, you can ask about their job, like, how long have you worked here?
Or what department are you in?
You can also ask, how are you finding the job so far?
That means, do you like the job? Is it going well?
Right, it's a friendly way to show interest in someone.
What about at a party or social event?
At parties, you can ask, how do you know the host?
That's a classic party question. Everyone asks that.
It is, and it's perfect because it helps you understand the connection.
You can also comment on the party itself. Like, this is a nice place, isn't it?
Or, the food is delicious. Then you can talk about food preferences.
Good idea. Now, what about meeting someone completely new in public?
Like at a coffee shop or on a bus?
Yes, exactly. How do you start talking to a stranger?
This is a bit more difficult because you need to be respectful.
Right, not everyone wants to talk to strangers.
True, but you can start with something situational.
Situational. What does that mean?
It means you comment on something happening right now in that place.
Oh, like this line is really long today at a coffee shop.
Exactly. Or, do you know if this bus goes to the city center?
Those are natural and don't seem too forward or aggressive.
Right. And if the person seems friendly, you can continue the conversation.
But if they seem busy or uninterested, just be polite and stop.
Yes, reading body language is very important.
Body language, like how people stand or look?
Yes, if someone is looking at their phone or has headphones on, don't disturb them.
But if they make eye contact and smile, they might be open to talking.
Exactly. These nonverbal signals are very important.
This is great advice. Let's practice some example conversations.
Good idea. I'll be person A, you be person B. Ready?
Ready. Let's imagine we're at a coffee shop.
Okay. Clears throat. Excuse me, I love your jacket. It's so stylish.
Oh, thank you so much. I actually got it on sale last week.
Really? Where did you find it?
At that new shop on Main Street. They have great stuff.
Oh, I've heard of that place. Is it expensive?
Not too bad. They have sales pretty often.
See? That was easy. We went from a compliment to a full conversation.
And it felt natural, not forced.
That's the key. Conversations should feel natural and comfortable.
Let's do another example, this time at work.
Okay, I'll start. Hi, I don't think we've met. I'm Sarah from the marketing team.
Hi, Sarah. I'm Tom. I just started in sales this week.
Welcome to the company. How are you finding it so far?
It's great. Everyone has been very friendly. How long have you been here?
About 2 years now. If you need any help, just let me know.
That's very kind of you. Thank you.
Perfect. That's a typical work introduction.
Yes, professional but friendly.
Now, let's talk about some common mistakes people make.
Oh, yes, this is important. What's the first mistake?
Asking questions that are too personal when you first meet someone.
Like what?
Like asking, how much money do you make? Or why aren't you married?
Oh, wow, yes. Those are way too personal.
In English-speaking cultures, we avoid personal topics at first.
What other topics should we avoid?
Politics and religion are usually not good for first conversations.
Right. Those can be controversial and make people uncomfortable.
Save those topics for when you know someone better.
Another mistake is talking too much about yourself.
Yes, conversations should be balanced, not one-sided.
Ask questions and show interest in the other person.
And don't interrupt when someone is speaking.
That's so important. Let people finish their thoughts.
Another mistake is giving compliments that are too personal or intense.
For example,
Like saying, "You're the most beautiful person I've ever seen."
that's way too much for a first meeting.